everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am back at Longwood Gardens, and I'm on the search for Meconopsis, the beautiful blue poppy. It's my first ever sighting of Meconopsis in person, and I am so excited. There's a whole bunch in bloom. I'm gonna wait my turn and try to get in here. They're so beautiful. So miraculously, it's not full of people in this moment, and you can see how absolutely exquisite. There's Karl, my good friend who's the director of conservatory here, and all of these amazing Meconopsis. And so they're native to the Himalayas. They definitely don't like North Carolina. I've tried many times, I've never got them established. This is the first time I've ever seen them live and in person.
Where they were shipped from, 18-hour days of sun. So we have the lights running for 18 hours, making them think it's summertime. And then they will grow and bloom always the second and third week of March. The first week of March is the Philadelphia Flower Show. 250,000 people come to the Philadelphia region for the Philadelphia Flower Show, and these poppies, I said earlier today, are like a 14-year-old boy. As ornery as they can be, and they say, I will not bloom until literally the day after the flower show. And that's what they did. The day after the flower show closed is when we installed these, and they've just gotten better ever since.
It's really amazing how much the conservatory has changed just in 2 weeks. It's such a treat to be able to be here and see it in this moment.